Ripple just did a massive fake out, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Ripple analysis. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Now, we did mention in the last video that if we were to break around the 47-cent mark, we could be looking at a move on Ripple to the downside. We mentioned that as long as we can stay above this support level at around the 43-cent mark, we should be in still a small short-term bullish case scenario on Ripple. We can see that we did see a move, and again, we were bought right back up, and we actually broke that resistance once more, and now we're acting as support. So what's next for Ripple? Well, we can see that we did have this massive fake out manipulation candle, and we continued on pushing lower. Technically speaking, we should have retested around the 42-cent mark. So whether or not this is a fake out is going to be the real question now. Because again, we ideally want to see a strong pullback and then a continuation pattern. But right now in Ripple, we are pretty much just seeing green candles, right? Ideally, what I would like to see is a bounce on support and then a continuation pattern. But we may not get that on Ripple, right? We could see a fake out formation from here because we have now exceeded the resistance level here at around the 49-cent mark. Ideally, this is going to act as a resistance level, and we could possibly be looking at another leg down to around the 36-cent mark overall. This support level right now is going to be very crucial to decide Ripple's next move. Ideally, again, we will see a bounce from support, and we are looking for the next leg up to around the 56-cent mark. But if we have one more leg down and we break this support level over here at around the 42-cent mark, we can be looking at a major move to the downside once more, find that support level here, and then a continuation. I don't see that support level really breaking very well because, again, we've mentioned in the previous video that support level held for a very long time for a resistance, right? You can see that we had multiple test opportunities here on this level at 36 cents. So that level is going to be a very strong support now. Obviously, old resistance becomes new support. If we do see a break downwards, then we will be looking for quite a large move. So just be mindful of that, guys. You don't want to be entering a long position if we start heading downwards, because that area is going to be a very big magnet for a lot of people. Now we can look on the hourly time frame, and we are still hovering above the exponential averages, which is quite bullish, and we are trading right above this level, right? So again, as long as on the hourly we can see that we don't get a clear breakdown like we did over here, we had multiple test situations right here, right? That's usually what we look for. If you see a level being tested multiple times on support, you will tend to see a move to the downside. But right now we are testing the exponential and hovering quite well. So I will be looking for a long position as long as we hold above this 47-cent mark. But again, that's going to be a key factor for me. If we start seeing a push to the downside, I will be entering a short position. This level is going to be very important for me to decide, and I would expect you guys to keep an eyeful eye on this too. And as long as we do hold these levels, we should be good on Ripple. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.